Okay, how's everybody doing? Sorin, hi, how are you? So today we'll talk about the US dollar. Okay, I will talk about actually I will take a look on all markets, also on US equities. I will take a look on commodities, on gold, silver, US oil. So US equities as well, cryptocurrencies and Forex pairs. So later, guys, in 12 minutes, something like this, the US is to release the CB Consumer Confidence. Okay, this is seen as a high impact event. And the economic indicator is expected to increase from 100.2 to 101, and better than expected US data. Also earlier today, the US current account came in better than expected. So consumer confidence is seen as a high impact event. Also we'll have the existing home sales. So maybe this indicator could bring us something here today. And but before I will start this session, read disclaimer here. Please read the disclaimer, guys. Okay, it's important, guys, to understand that trading is risky. The past performance is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Okay, very, very important. And if you have questions, you can send an email to support. Okay, also, as you already know, Learn to Trade team will never contact you directly, will never ask for payment. Okay, the only way to join the VIP groups is after purchasing a subscription. Okay, there are a lot of scamming groups, a lot of scammers out there, so you will have to be careful. So as I've said, CB Consumer Confidence, and earlier today, higher inflation, higher than expected actually. Inflation reported by Canada. I will take a look on all markets. So let's start with the dollar index. You can see that it continues to stay above 103.67, and right now it has tried to rebound here, but as you already know, the downside pressure remains high. The dollar index remains bearish despite temporary rebounds, and that's why I will look for potential. And in my opinion, only better than expected CB Consumer Confidence could push the dollar index higher, but worse than expected US data could force the dollar index to drop deeper. Right now, I don't like, actually, I don't have something really good on this, on the US dollar, only because, yeah, the dollar index is still undecided. I will use this. I will use this this ascending pitchfork here, 1, 2, and 3. Test, retest, and as long as it stays above the lower medium line of the ascending pitchfork, it could still try to come back higher, or to extend its sideways movement, to move sideways. Shandor Kovac, hi, how are you? Digital currency lifestyle. Hi, how are you, guys? So if you have questions, guys, I'm waiting for questions, and if you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. First of all, your time frame, and yeah, but as I've said, I will take a look on all markets. Don't forget, guys, to like the video. Yeah, this will be helpful for me to the YouTube algorithm. Also, yeah, thank you, guys. So Data blog, hi, how are you? Okay, so this is my opinion. Right now, I will take a look on majors to see if I have something on the USD, on the US dollar. Okay, about personally, I'm using here an indicator. Which helps me to identify potential supply and demand, but also, yeah, I'm not trading only based on that indicator. I'm using also price action, fundamentals, yeah, other indicators, a lot of. One gold, please. 15 minutes time frame to make a new higher. Looking for sales. So how to use the pitchfork. So Sorin, please visit our YouTube channel. Okay, and we have a playlist, trading tutorials, and personally I've uploaded and I've sent there several tutorials talking about Pitchfork, okay? And if you have questions after you'll watch those tutorials on how to draw a Pitchfork, how to use those lines, yeah, as support, resistance, targets. Okay, Euro USD. Yeah, I will talk about Josh, I will take a look on gold. First of all, Euro USD. So, as you already know, yeah, someone said that always say that as you already know, but yeah, you already know from my webinars, from my analysis, that in the short term, only because the dollar index is in a corrective phase, Euro USD, it's still bullish, okay, it's still bullish. That's why right now, one moment, I want to use this this higher high here, sorry. So it's still bullish only because the dollar index is still bearish, as you already know from my analysis, okay. Let's take a look again on 1 hour, and here, guys, it has jumped and stabilized above 1.0594. right now, sideways movement, so it's trapped between these levels, 1.0662 and 1.0582, okay. Personally, I don't want to do anything as long as the price continues to stay within this range pattern, okay. I will keep an eye only on this range, okay. And maybe I'll wait for the price to escape from this range, or maybe I will look for something like this. Maybe if it registers new false breakdowns, maybe then I will look for potential longs, okay. The bias is still bullish, as I've said. Or here, if it tests, retests, false breakouts, new false breakouts could signal a potential new sell-off, and then I will look for because right now it's really hard to trade Euro USD inside of this range, okay. Now, or a valid breakdown may signal potential downside movement. False breakdown here could signal potential new rally and potential upside breakout and continuation, okay. Also here, false breakout, test, retest could signal a potential something like this, okay. So right now, no, I don't have a setup here on Euro USD, but I will still keep an eye on this market, okay. About so you want 15 minutes, Josh, okay. If fail to make a higher high, looking for sells. I don't know. Right now, as I've said, guys, the dollar index is in a corrective phase. The dollar index is still under pressure. Is still bearish. And before the U.S. Inflation data, personally, I've talked about this pattern as a flag, as an upside continuation pattern. Maybe personally, I would have liked the price to come back to test, retest here, to register false breakdowns, and then maybe I would have liked it to go long, okay. But yeah, R1 here, okay, as resistance, static resistance, and if it makes a new higher high, as I've said in my daily video analysis, it could still extend its growth. But don't forget that we have this key level, former high here as well, 1824 as resistance, as upside obstacle. That's why personally I would have liked here the price to retest the channel's downside line, the flags downside line, also this key level, okay, 1810. So right now, in my opinion, the bias is still bullish, so I will look only for longs, okay. If I'll use this indicator, I have also demand zone, but yeah, as I've said, guys, personally, these zones as demand, okay, as supply. Thanks for sharing your knowledge. Yeah, It's Ali. Thank you. So don't forget to like the video. So these are demand zones, a supply zone, a resistance zone, support zone. But personally, as you already know, I'm using these zones or supply areas, demand areas, like any other support and the resistance levels. Okay, I need confirmation. Okay, I will not buy when the price reaches one of these demand zones, only because the price reaches the demand zone. Because please take a look here, and I will keep an eye on this supply zone. Okay, yeah, we have a supply zone here. Yeah, using this concept. Yeah, liquidity swap, sweep, smart money concept. But if the price takes out this supply, yeah, it could extend its growth. Okay, so right now is at resistance. Is at resistance because it's traded below this resistance. Is at resistance because it has reached this this supply zone. Hi sir, can we look USD CAD quick please? Yeah, I will take a look on that market. So personally I'm using these zones, supply, demand, but also I'm using other tools, indicators, yeah, and also price action. Yeah, for confirmation. I don't want you to sell only because the price reached the supply. Okay, because yeah, I have a strategy, a new strategy maybe. Yeah, maybe a strong supply here, only because we had here this this sell-off, maybe on an imbalance here, and right now a resistance, a supply zone. But as I've said earlier, if the price takes out this supply zone, if it makes a new higher high, then it could continue to grow. Okay, so let's take a look on US dollar, Canadian dollar, and I will come back and I will talk about this market again, about gold. Okay, so USD CAD. Okay, I will take a look on USD CAD, but what time frame? Short term, long term, medium term, for scalping, for swing trading. Please guys, I've said that I want to know your time frame, at least your time frame. Okay, your time frame. If you want to buy, if you want to sell, if you want to go long, if you want to go short term, please. Okay, short term. Let's take a look. Let's start with 1 hour, maybe. USD CAD. And you want to do what? Are you a buyer? Are you a seller? So right now, USD CAD. Oh. I don't know if I have something really good on this market. I will use also these levels. Yeah. Okay, so here we had something like this, guys. So we have a supply zone here, but it has failed to reach it. Okay, so as long as it stays maybe above 1.3571, above the uptrend line, it could still try to extend its growth. So we had here something like for sale. Okay, so we had here liquidity sweep. Okay, something like this, rebound. But personally, I don't know if I want to be a seller here right now, as long as it stays above maybe this this uptrend line. Okay, uptrend line. So you want to sell. Okay, I believe that we already have the US data. Sorry, let's take a look upon the economic calendar. So CB consumer confidence is really important. So whoa, worse than expected. no, better than expected. Whoa, USD. This could be good for the US dollar. Existing home sales worse than expected, but CB consumer confidence, this high impact indicator, better than expected. So let's take a look. I believe that maybe after this, after the economic data, the US dollar could try to, to appreciate versus rivals in the short term. I will still try to, but yeah, as I've said, the pressure is still high. Also here, after its failure to hit here the medium line, retest of the lower medium line, I've said that as long as it stays here, it could still try to rebound. So USD CAD, and maybe personally I will look for something. Earlier today I was looking at Australian dollar Swiss franc at the 1 hour time frame. My idea is sell stop on, okay. Personally I will not tell you what to do, but I will take a look on that market as well. Thank you. So in my opinion here, maybe I will look maybe I will look for longs on US dollar versus the Canadian dollar, but only if it comes back here to retest the support levels, the S1, 1.3571, this demand zone, the uptrend line. Okay, so in the short term, maybe it could still approach and reach these levels, but I don't want to sell it right now. Okay, I don't want to sell it. Maybe I will take a look on lower time frames as well, because if I don't have a setup, a high probability setup, no, I don't want to trade. Okay, I don't want to place a trade if I don't have a high probability setup like that Canadian dollar Japanese yen in the early morning. Okay, it was a high probability setup. Confluence trading. I told you that I'm using right now in the short term, is at resistance, but no, I don't want to sell it. I don't like the price action, this sideways movement. Please take a look here. But maybe I will look only for longs from around these support levels, demand zone. Okay, if it retests here, if it registers only false breakdowns, it could still develop a new leg higher, but no, right now I don't have because if I'll take a look on lower time frames, no. I will try to identify something here, but no, I don't have a setup, so I will stop looking here, because as I've said, I don't like the price action, the sideways movement. And as I've said, if it drops to retest all these, I will look for a potential new buying opportunity, but only here. Okay, right now I don't want to do anything. So Euro USD again. Euro USD again. Should I place a pending order, but it's I don't like the sideways movement here, and also here, as I said, it could register only false breakdowns and then to turn to the upside. That's why maybe I don't want to place a pending order here. Okay, sorry, GBPUSD. Earlier today I was looking at something like this here on British pound versus the US dollar. A potential selling setup. But right now so here on 15 minutes, 13 minutes, 1 hour. um, sorry. Um, what? Says USD positive but going opposite. What opposite? I didn't place the trade. Rahim, what's wrong with you? I said that maybe USD is positive, okay? And maybe I will look for a short here for a US dollar long. Yeah? Also, I don't understand. Also here, okay? I don't have anything. It continues to move sideways. Yeah? And it doesn't matter, guys. The market condition could change, okay? Just says brother. Yeah, but I didn't place the trade. Yeah, I'm looking here for opportunities, for setups, okay? I'm looking also for longs, for shorts. It doesn't matter, okay? As long as I'll have a setup. Yeah, Rahim, if I'll have a setup, are you a VIP member? Okay, so yeah, let's go back. Let's go back because this is the thing, guys. I've said here that the bias is still bearish, okay, here on the dollar index, despite temporary rebounds. Okay, I didn't say that whoa, it will tend to the upside and it will continue to move to approach and reach new highs. It will develop a new major swing higher. No, I've said that maybe it will try to rebound. It could rebound after better than expected US data, and Forex actually mixed data, but the CB consumer confidence came in better than expected. Yeah, that's great. Okay, so that's why. So I didn't place the trade. So please understand that even if maybe I will be a seller, USD seller on long term, medium term, or something like this, I could still catch potential US dollar long on the short term. Okay, that's why also if I will be long on the USD on medium to the long term, I could still sell the USD on the short term. Okay. Okay. Thanks for understanding. Understandment. Okay, so British pound, US dollar. I will come back. I will continue to take a look on all these markets, and I will take a look also on US equities, cryptocurrencies, silver, US oil. Yeah, so USD, Swiss franc, USD, Swiss franc. But performance nowadays not impressive. Yeah, Rahim, why do you think I'm presenting that risk disclaimer before all my webinars, videos? Did you read it? Did you read the risk disclaimer? Because personally, I'm talking about risk, that trading is risky every day. I'm talking about the past performance, which is not a reliable indicator of future performance. Yeah, thank you, Rahim. Okay, I don't think I have something here. Only supply zones. I don't have a demand zone here in the short term. Yeah, here I have a demand zone, but yeah, I want the price maybe to hit it. No, USD versus the Swiss franc. It's okay. I'm a risk taker. Okay. Okay, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Last night I had something here on this market. I've decided to manage my position after I saw that I've noticed that the price will fail here to extend its growth. It was a good decision. I've closed it for a small profit. It has dropped deeper, and right now, yeah, we have a downside pressure. Okay. Johnson, your last signal was nice. Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Please trade gold. I know that you want me to trade gold, but if I don't have something really good, I cannot trade gold only because you want me to. Okay. So yeah, I will look for trades in gold just for you. Okay, no, I don't have something here. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. Okay. Yeah, maybe next time. Tomorrow I will go live as well, and let's hope that I will have something on gold. Okay, gold. Let's take a look again on gold. So, gold, about gold. Resistance here, and as I've said, yeah, I really want maybe the price to come back here to retest also the support levels, and then to develop a new upside movement. Yeah, right now it has resistance, supply here. So yeah, it retests the broken downtrend line. But overbought has resistance. Sorry. I will try to use here, yeah, an ascending pitchfork. What are your thoughts about US 100? Yeah, I will take a look on that market. UK 100. Yeah, I will take a look. One moment. And please be patient, guys. Tomorrow, guys, final gross domestic product, unemployment claims. Also on Friday, important economic data. US economic data. Minutes. So here in gold, I'll wait either for a sell-off towards this support zone again, or I want to see a value breakout here, consolidation before extending its growth. Because right now I don't want to do anything on this market. Okay, so US 100. So yeah, as I've said, I will talk about US equities. US equities. Let's take a look again on the DXY. No, but on. Let's take a look again here. Why I'm using the pitchfork tool? Okay. Why I'm using this tool? Because please take a look. Sell off. It has found support right on the lower medium line of the descending pitchfork, guys. Yeah, that's why it's really important. Personally, I'm using these levels. I will trade based on Pitchfork price action. Yeah. And personally, about this market, about US 100, probably I will look for shorts after this rebound. Okay, for potential shorts. US 100. Because please take a look here. Okay, we are still inside of this downside movement, far below the downtrend line. Yeah, this could still be only a temporary rebound. So right now, no, I don't have buying setups or buying trades or ideas or something. So maybe I will look only for potential shorts. Please take a look here. Yeah, an uptrend line, but as I've said, maybe I will look for potential shorts. Maybe this will be only a temporary rebound. Maybe this will could represent a flag pattern. Okay. So no, I don't want to buy it right now. Maybe I want to buy it only after reaching this this zone here, these former lows. Okay. Dustin B, gold 1 hour. I've talked about gold several times, but I will take a look again. So UK 100, FTSE 100. To see if a bearish trend will continue on daily chart. Daily chart. If bearish. What bearish? Let's take a look here. Yeah. Yeah, so Sorin, UK 100 to see if bearish trend will continue on daily chart. What bearish trend? This retreat, sell-off, if this will continue, or what bearish trend? This is not a trend here. Maybe on lower time frames. This is a correction, retreat. Pinto, Rafael Pinto, please don't forget about Australian dollar, Swiss franc. I wanted to see your. Yeah, I will take a look on that market. Sorry, but yeah, as I've said, I will try to answer to all your questions, guys. But yeah, I still have to take a look on all markets because I'm trying to identify a potential setup and trade. I really wanted to place a trade live here for you guys. And don't forget, guys, that we'll have a fantastic Christmas gift for our customers, guys. You will find out more details soon. So Christmas gift for you guys, for the customers. Yeah. UK 100, so FTSE 100. So on daily chart, as I said, on daily chart, maybe this was only a temporary drop, a temporary tree. Merry Christmas, everyone. Yeah, Merry Christmas. So Serene, personally, I see here on the daily chart an extended sideways movement, okay, and that's why maybe this was only a temporary drop, a temporary retreat. Nope. So personally, I don't see a trend here. I see a sideways movement, extended sideways movement. So personally, I'm not trading this the UK United Kingdom index FTSE 100. So maybe this was only a temporary retreat, but as long as it stays below the downtrend line, immediate downtrend line, it could only retest here before maybe developing a new leg down, a new sell-off. But yeah, it's almost to hit a supply zone, maybe here on 4 hour, but resistance levels as well. Yeah, so in my opinion, US oil, I will take a look on US oil. Mohammed, thank you. Adrian, will go down in the next days, likely. I don't know. Okay, I will maybe keep an eye on this area and zone here. Okay, because personally I have resistance here, and yeah, maybe after this amazing rally, if here it will develop a bearish pattern or something, then it could turn to the downside again. Yeah. So Australian dollar versus Rafael Pinto, don't tell me the gift is gonna be a discount. I just bought the VIP signals a week ago. No, I'm not telling you anything right now. Rafael Pinto, you will find out soon. Okay. Yeah, it's a surprise. Okay. Okay, Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. Sorry, guys. US oil. Yeah, I will take a look on US oil, guys. Okay, so Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. Someone asked me about this market. So my idea is a sell stop on the 61.60 since the range of was broken, and also the level broken. What are your thoughts? So you want to sell stop 1 hour time frame. I will delete my drawings first of all. Personally, I'm not trading on this market. 61.60. A sell stop here, 61.60, but the price is far above this this level right now, and it's premature right now. And yeah, let's take a look here. So 0.6214 as resistance. Right now it retests this resistance, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, maybe I one moment. Okay. And also in the I could place inside the sliding lines, parallel lines. Maybe one here, and yeah, we have something like a potential channel right now here inside of this pitchfork. Or if we'll use the 50% Fibonacci lines inside of this pitchfork. Okay, you can see that here it has reached the support, it has rebounded, sell off, retest, but personally, guys, if I will want to trade maybe this after 5 minutes is the news for US oil. Yeah, Forex Factory again. Yeah, I know that we have crude oil inventories. Yeah, in less than 3 minutes, I will take a look on that market. So, in the short term, guys, about Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc. If I'll want to trade this this market and this pair, yeah, okay, a downside continuation, guys. A downside continuation. A downside continuation could be activated, okay, of course, about a new lower low, but right now it's premature to place a sell stop here, only because the price could jump higher to approach and reach also the former high, or yeah. But yeah, a downside continuation could be activated by a new lower low, by a valid breakdown below the S1, by a new lower low here, but right now it's premature. As I've said, it's premature to place such a trade right now. Please take a look here, breakout. And in my opinion, if the price drops a little to retest here, maybe we'll have a buying opportunity, not a selling opportunity. Okay, but yeah, as long as it stays above these downside obstacles. Okay. Yeah, personally, I would like to see retest here before trying to extend its growth, or yeah, I would like the price actually to hit the medium line, to retreat a little, to accumulate, to consolidate, to attract more buyers and more bullish energy before jumping higher, maybe. Yeah, in the short term. Serene triangle on what market? And here is a supply zone, as I've said. Maybe if it will come back to retest. Sorry about my phone. Yeah. Yeah, as I've said, guys, Christmas gift for you guys. This one, Australian dollar Swiss franc triangle. On what time frame? What triangle? I don't see a triangle here on 1 hour. And yeah, the bias is bearish here, okay? But as I said, I need confirmation and a potential rebound here on Australian dollar versus the Swiss franc could bring us new shorts, maybe from around the resistance levels, okay? And we don't have to wait for a potential new lower low to go short. But yeah, right now, this is my opinion about this market. I'm not trading on this market because are you trading the Australian dollar or the Swiss franc here? Yeah. Okay, so US oil, yeah, US oil. Yeah, I really have to clean the mess here and to delete all these here. Okay, also I will delete these. Okay, sorry guys, I'm too tired. Don't forget to like the video. US oil. So US oil, please. But yeah, Mohammed, you didn't. Please, guys. When you want me to take a look on a specific market, please tell me what you are looking at. Please tell me your time frame. If you are a buyer, if you are a seller, if you want to buy, if you want to sell. Because I don't know. Maybe I will look on daily. You want on 5 minutes. I don't believe that it's too hard to tell me what you are looking at. Yeah, actually it's really easy. Hey, I'm looking on, please take a look on US oil, person I want to buy, or I have a resistance, I have a support, person I'm bullish, I'm bearish, I want to do this, I want to do that. Yeah, on 1 hour, on 5 minutes, on, yeah, because please understand, guys, that the scenarios could be different. The scenarios could be different. I'm a seller. I got to sell at 76.2. 76. Okay, but yeah. This is the thing with US oil. The price could be different. Here I'm using TradingView, and as you already know, when trading CFDs, the price could be different, okay, from a brokerage company to a different brokerage company. So that's why it's really hard. Okay, so 76.2, 76.2. So you are a seller from here. Yeah, you are in the red, but I don't know exactly your levels. Where is your stop loss? Yeah. If you are a seller, long term, medium term, short term, I don't know. Okay, thank you. What are your thoughts on New Zealand dollar, US dollar? If you don't tell me all the details, New Zealand dollar, US dollar. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. It has found support here. On the weekly S1. Sorry guys. 15 minutes. I'll take a look again. Yeah, false breakdown, great separation through this conference area here. Let's take a look on the dollar index again. Oh, sorry. Yeah, still under pressure, the dollar index, despite better than expected CB consumer confidence. Yeah, as I've said, it's still under pressure despite temporary rebounds here. But I don't have a really good setup here right now. We also have this demand zone area here. value breakdown below 103.67 could open the door for a deeper drop. Right now, yeah, it continues maybe it will maybe try once again to retest the lower medium line. It will challenge this level. New Zealand dollar, US dollar. I don't think I have because last night I was long. Okay, after this retreat I was long here. I've catched this small upside movement, but you can see that the bias or the bias is bearish in the short term. It's under pressure here. And also, as long as it stays below this this line, it could still resume its sell-off. A new lower low here could activate a deeper drop, but only if the dollar index will jump higher. Because yeah, we had I talked about this demand zone and area here last night. Okay, 0.6302. The price dropped below this this supply zone, demand zone, support zone, demand zone, and that's why I don't want to go long right now. I need confirmation. I need a setup. I need a new potential long trade. True bias. Yeah. British pound, yen baskets. Yeah, let's take a look also on the Japanese yen. Sorry guys, one moment. Yeah, my chair is making a strange noise, a strong noise. Okay, a sell-off here on the yen basket. Okay. That's why the Japanese yen depreciated. But personally, I will keep an eye on this potential flag, on this potential pattern. Okay, if it continues to grow, if it stays above 8201.01, a new leg higher could force the Japanese yen to appreciate. So let's take a look on. Yeah, actually, if I'm using this this indicator, I have a demand zone here, but as I've said earlier, I'm not trading only based on this indicator. It's an indicator, okay? It's a concept, but personally, I don't believe in a single concept or strategy or technique or indicator or something like this, okay? My strategy is about confluence trading, guys. Okay, so let's take a look. So British pound, Japanese yen, but you didn't. So from now on, guys, if you are not telling me what you are looking at and your time frame, I will not answer to these kind of questions. Only GBP, Japanese yen. What do you want me to do with this market? Okay, because yeah, what do you want me to do with this market? Yeah. In the short term, the bias is bearish. Okay, the bias is bearish. That's why today I was looking. Actually, I've had this this setup here in Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. Okay. I've had this this setup, this trade here, and I've catched this downside movement. Yeah, and I've decided to close it here around 20 pips profit. Okay, after that I've noticed that the price will fail to take out 96.67, and then please take a look here. Yeah, it was a really good decision today to take profit and to take yeah, even if it was a small profit, 20 pips, because I've noticed here that the price could turn to the upside, could turn against me, so I've decided to take the profit and close the position. Okay, and to look for something else. That's why right now I still have a supply area, supply zone here. It has retested and sell off. Let's take a look on lower time frames. But no, I don't think I had a short opportunity here because I didn't had a setup. I didn't had a confirmation. Only it has rallied and then it has dropped it. Okay, I didn't had maybe on lower time frames. I don't know, maybe on here it has reached retest, yeah, maybe on 2 minutes, 1 minute, but I don't like to trade on these on such a small time frame. But as I've said, it was a good decision today to take profit here. Yeah, the price it has failed to approach and reach new lows. It was stopped, the sell-off was stopped by this support zone area. Okay, US oil again. So personally, I don't have a setup right now. I don't. Maybe I will try to go long if it drops a little to retest these levels. Maybe, yeah. After what happened here, but right now it's too late. I don't want to do anything here. Silver. Silver is still bullish. It tries to continue to resume its upside movement, upwards movement, uptrend. Cryptocurrencies, shit. Cryptocurrencies, and I will start with Bitcoin. Yeah, after registering only false breakout, the great separation here, sell off. As I've said, maybe temporary rebounds, but no, I don't want to do anything in Bitcoin, so that's why I don't want to because the bias is bearish. Maybe I will look only for shorts after temporary rebounds. Ethereum, sideways movement. No, I don't want to. Sorry, I don't want to do anything here right now on Ethereum. The bias is bearish. Yeah, maybe I will look for potential shorts. US 30, and then I will take a look again on British pound US dollar. US 30 4 hour. Yeah, it has rebounded because the dollar index is still under pressure, is still in the red. It has dropped it. US 500, same here. But I'll wait for confirmation on the dollar index before looking for potential trades also here in US equities. Most people are looking for someone to tell them what to do because they're unsure of themselves. Yeah. That's why I'm waiting for questions. Yeah. But as I said, please tell me what you are looking at first of all, and then we can have a conversation here. Okay. Also here, US 500 rebound. I will keep an eye on this level. Medium line here, only because maybe this could be only a temporary rebound, and this could represent a bearish pattern. Okay, in the end, but only test, retest, false breakouts, bearish breakouts, boom. Okay, DXY again is still here. So I'll look for potential trades in Euro USD and British Pound US Dollar. I really hate this sideways movement here in Euro USD because personally I wanted to go short. Actually, I had a pending order here the previous days. If I will decide to place a trade here, yeah, I will send it into the VIP group as well. So yeah, if you want to join the VIP group, you can. If you're not a VIP member, of course, you can access the link posted right below this video, and you can still use that that code, that coupon YouTube for 10% discount. But here, I would like to see test, retest, maybe. Okay. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Unfortunately, I didn't have a setup to trade here live, but as you already know, I will send high probability setups and trades into the VIP group using my new approach and strategy, my new confluence strategy. And yeah, have a great time, have a great day, and I will come back later maybe with something, or only tomorrow morning. So yeah, take care, bye bye.